Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the MBK Monterey Bay Knife EZC 1.0 here with me for a quick review. These are pretty cool knife, guys. Really compact, I have to say. It's a titanium frame lock with a nice stainless steel insert, with a nice actual... it has some very fine grooves. I don't know if you can see those. You can see the milling pattern going on. And it's very smooth in the hand. It has a nice drop point blade, stone wash finished, S35 VN steel, really thin behind the edge in a full flat grind. The sound this guy makes, it's this very interesting clank over here, and a very dampened click, almost inaudible. You have to wiggle a little bit this guy in order for you to close the blade, but it falls shut as soon as you disengage the lock bar like that, and you have just to wiggle this guy. Of course, Ray Laconico design right over here, made by Kaiser. It's pretty cool. It's overall really smooth, runs on bearings, has a pretty alright grip. I mean, no hot spots whatsoever, and it's nicely done. So yeah, there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.